It's your girl, D. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm your baby. You know what? Forget it. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm your girl, Adiah. Okay, so today's Friday. I just come back home literally like 2 seconds ago. That's a lie. Probably like 10 minutes. Keep on take. You know? So I have a couple of things to do this weekend, so I'm just gonna run you guys through. You know, I have to clean my apartment because like it's in a bit of a state. So I just need to like tidy, straighten up, all of that stuff. I was just like, if I don't start this vlog today, I'm not starting this vlog again. And I'm in a good mood, so I just thought, why not? Oh yeah, and I also need to sleep. Like, you think it's a joke, but I'd be surviving on like 2-3 hours of sleep. Guys, long story short, we are going to throw the trash out, but it's like really late, so yeah. But let's just go and check it because it's coming. Good evening. Alright guys, so our little trash dumping was successful. So yeah, so I'm just going to figure out what next I'm going to do and then I'll let you guys know. How about that?
Sweetheart, hold on for me. Let me show you how to do it.
It's nothing left with you. The feeling's going through. It's always you. 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 Keep falling for you. Keep falling for you. Keep falling for you. Why do I keep feeling this pain? It's like I'm going for insane. It's like it's always you. 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 Keep falling for you. Keep falling for you.
dust from our face. Sweetheart, hold on for me. Let me show you how to do it. So this is where I need you to look into. I'm cleaning upward. I'm cleaning upward, and then I'm not leaving at her neck area. So that